Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Journal question topic films. Your first question, do you like to watch films? Your answer is absolutely. There are excellent way to unwind, relax, free your mind. Moreover, my friends are really into films. So it's a fun, relaxing way to spend time together. Afterward, we discuss and debate the film that we have watched. Apart from just relaxing and enjoy the film, I like to delve deeper and to get deeper meaning to discover the subliminal message. Your second question, what kind of movies do you like the best? Your answer, well, I would say I am still kid of the heart, a person who still feel like a child in their heart. So I really enjoy watching kid movies. Although they seem simple and innocent, there are often many life lessons packed into these films. Moreover, I am really into drama and historical movies. When I watch these, I feel that I can deeply understand human emotions and the live historical moments like Vietnam, American War or World War II. Do you prefer foreign film or film made in your country? Your third question, and your answer is, since my country does not have a huge film industry, I've always been really into American films, not to knock, to insult, discredit, and other film industries, but American ones are incredible, entertaining, and well made. The evaluation of film continues to amaze me. Moreover, I only watch film in English, so it helped me to learn new slang and expression. Your fourth question, how often do you watch the films? Well, I am quite a busy person, but I manage to see one, two film a week at home. After a long day of the studying, I love this snuggling up, getting comfortable with blankets on the sofa and watching a film to unwind. I tend to do this on Friday and Saturday evening with my friends. Your fifth question, how often do you go to cinema to watch a movie? Your answer is not too often actually. As a price in my country are quite high, I usually opt to choose watch a movie at home instead to save on cost. Actually, I think it's kind of waste of money to see a movie at cinema when you can watch it from the comfort of your living room. I only go when a friend invite me, which is a maybe 4 times a year. Your sixth question, do people in your country like to go to cinema to watch a or a film? And you answer, I would say so, since people like to go out with their family on weekend. This often an activity that they would choose. Moreover, teenagers enjoy this activity as a way to get out of the house. Furthermore, it often a popular date option for many people. Your seventh question, what was the first film that you watched? It's hard to say the first, but I think it was The Lion King. I know it first came out in the earlier of the 90s when I was a child. It was my absolutely favorite. I used to watch it repeatedly until my parents were really tired of it. Even built pride rock out of the rock that I found when we would go to visit my relatives who have a garden. Your eighth question, do you like to watch movies alone or with your friends? Your answer, both. On one hand, I find extremely relaxing to chill out and fall asleep to a film by myself, but also enjoyable to company. So all in all, I prefer the film with friends since they are also into the movie. Afterward, we can discuss the meaning and carry inside joke among the friends from the quotas from the film later on. Your ninth question, would you like to be in a movie? Your answer, not one bit, as I have a stage fright, fear of being on the stage. I would never have I would never have guts, never to be brave enough to do it. Secondly, I feel awakened when I try to act, and I have memory of the goldfish, short memory, so I know I could never memorize my lines. All in all, acting is simply not my thing. Your last question, what was the best movie you watched? Your answer is okay, that a hard question. If I absolutely had to choose, I'd pick The Departed, my matrix courses. It features Leonardo DiCaprio's trading police detective undercover in the Irish mob. The chilling plot, intense dialogue, and brilliant cinematography make it an all-the-time favorite for me. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for new update, new journal question topics and cue cards.